PCSO's approach is very much community oriented. It's very important that you have a strong connection with the community, and that's what we do. We are always going out to different events. We're always setting up different events. Whatever's going on, we want to be involved in because we want people to know who we are and what we represent. And our sheriff is involved in each and every one of them. He either makes an appearance or he's there all day. It's great because then the community really understands like our sheriff is involved in our department and he's not just a face. And I think that's very important for the community to see because he's representing us as well as us representing him.
The community policing is very important. We see a lot of immigrants, refugees, folks that come from countries where they don't trust the police, period. And it's our job to let them know that it's not that way here. In Polk County, we have a good working relationship with our refugee communities, also different subculture groups, and it's imperative that we reach out to those folks and let them know that the Sheriff's Office is here to help them. But it's important that they develop a trust with us.
One of the things that I see from the Sheriff's Office is a willingness to be involved in the community. So not only is he doing his official duties, but he makes it a point to be at the NAACP banquet, to participate in the Iowa Summit on Justice and Disparities, to actually be a part of the panels when the community asks for more information. It has been an open door relationship, so we're able to call and talk with the sheriff at any time if an issue arises in the community.
There's several things that PCSO is attempting to do to achieve diversity. We are taking a multicultural approach. We want to have a more inclusive agency. We want individuals from all ethnic backgrounds, cultural backgrounds, religious backgrounds. When I started 23 years ago, I don't believe we had any individuals of the Muslim or Jewish faith in our agency. Today we do. I don't think we had anyone who were immigrants or refugees to this country. Now we do. We're taking tremendous bounds to become a more inclusive sheriff's office for our community.
One of the other important areas that we have to deal with is mental health. Every law enforcement agency across the country is being asked to do more and more with mental health and the mental health, I would say, patients that we have. A lot of folks in jail really shouldn't be in jail if we had a mental health facility to take care of them. And we've got 4 officers that are assigned to doing nothing but mental health.
The officers have responded enthusiastically to our training. Our partnership with Polk County Sheriff's Office has really transformed our community. And today what you're seeing is youth mental health first aid training, which is a little bit of the training partnerships that we have together, and also the implementation. So not only are we doing training on youth mental health first aid, but we also have training on de-escalation, crisis intervention, and all of those trainings work together to better equip law enforcement and community partners like ours to better serve our community, which leads to outcomes. So we have fewer days in jail, people are getting the services they need, the transitions out of jail into community supports. All of those things work together to protect and serve our community.
Bridges of Iowa is a nonprofit corporation. We've been in existence for about 20 years, and we provide long-term drug and alcohol treatment. I think we have probably one of the most unique partnerships in existence with Polk County Sheriff's Office here. As you can see, we operate our program, or part of our program, right here in some unused portions of the jail. As a country, we don't do a great job funding long-term treatment, even though we've demonstrated this is what works. By having this space made available to us, it keeps our costs down. We can then treat a bigger group of people than we could otherwise.
before Bridges of Iowa, I was homeless, helpless, and hopeless, and had all the makings of a criminal. I've since married, have a wonderful wife. This program also taught me to be a productive member of society, to provide for my family, number one, to protect my family, and also to offer my testimony, if you will, as to where I've come from to where, as opposed to where I am now.
And give hope to others that it works.
Yes, sir.
We have been more involved in the community. We're out there from having coffee with seniors to picking up the refugee program, getting them out onto the golf course, teaching them, and developing a rapport. We're in the process of building a $20+ million building, which is a patrol headquarters. And I call it patrol headquarters, but it belongs to the community. And one of the things that we've done is created a community room. And that's for the people in the neighborhood and in the area that need a place to have a meeting or to have a birthday party or something. I think we're doing a great job. I have a great staff. Are we done? No.